see nothing. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Lorraine, good evening. This is China, your Hawaiian ambassador, speaking to you from the bridge. We've just turned the lights off on all of our open decks, so please take caution, use the handrails, and watch your footing when walking about. Just a reminder, once again, please, if you do, are you planning on taking photos, which I'm sure you are, just don't turn the flash on unless you have one a really good camera that can definitely take some photos to capture those moments. But those flashes will just get a big bright light. Now at this time we're beginning our journey near the current lava flow of the volcano eruption at Kilauea. So if I may draw your attention to the starboard or right hand side of the vessel for a brief narrative of what you're about to see. As we begin our voyage near Kilauea, it is traditional in the Hawaiian culture to offer an offering or puli, a prayer or a chant to the volcano goddess Pele. I will share it with you in Hawaiian, then translate it to you in English. E o mau ka i mai ka po, e nana i mai ka hale o kākou, mai luna a lalo, mai kahikihi a kahikihi, mai kahikina a komahana, mai ka uka a he kai, mai loko a waho, ki aa i a malama ia, e pali a ku i ka ho'opilikia ana I ko kākou, no hona, a mama ua no. My guardians from remote antiquity watch over our home from top to bottom, from one corner to the other, from east to west, from uplands to the sea, from inside to outside. Watch over and protect us. Ward off all that may trouble our life here. The prayer is free. In the beginning, there was only the darkness, an infinite black nothingness. And in that darkness was created the womb of the Earth Mother, whom the ancients knew as Papa. Light was created, the light of the Sky Father, Ake. In their embrace, male light penetrated female darkness, and from this union of opposites, life began, for only in sunlight can there be light, all of which must be followed by light and mothered in the darkness of the womb, the soil. The great gods were then born. Kani, the creator, was the first, father of the universe and all that lived there. Kanaloa, god of the oceans, wind, and storms. Ku, patron to the works of men. And Lono, patron of peace, agriculture, and healing. Pele was born of Haumi, the Earth Mother in the ancient home. She is Pele Hunuami, Pele of the sacred land. She is Pele Aihono, Pele, the eater of land, when she devours the land with her hands. Pele traveled to Hawaii from the islands of Tahiti to find a new home for her fire. She first found the island of Kauai.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
She breathed new life into the old volcano and reawakened her fires and put out a wave of water that was brought to her by her sister, Maka'okahatu, the goddess of the ocean. Maka'okahatu was jealous of Pele's power of fire and followed her across the Pacific to douse her flames. Thus began the battle between sisters and battle between fire and water. The battle raged through the island chain, finally settled on the island of Hawaii, where Pele found her home in Kilauea. The massive size of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa protected Kilauea and forced the Maka'okahatu back to Tahiti. At that moment, Pele became the goddess of the volcanoes of Hawaii. Pele lives and is revered in contemporary Hawaii. While many of the ancient gods have been forgotten, the goddess of the volcanoes still commands respect, as her fires and flowing masses